Hello friends, in our previous videos we have learned how we can find out the areas of the geometrical figures like square, rectangle, triangle, circle, etc. Today we will learn the areas of the four-sided figures, that is quadrilaterals. In the given chart we have three types of quadrilaterals: trapezium, parallelogram and rhombus. The shapes of these three are given here. Let us study how these areas are found. Trapezium is a figure having two sides parallel, means the parallel sides A and B have equal distance among each other, that is h. So the formula for area of a trapezium will be 1 by 2 multiplied by sum of parallel sides. Their length will be given. Suppose A and B, we have to add the length of parallel sides multiply by the distance between the parallel sides, that is we say height of trapezium. Second one is parallelogram. A parallelogram is a figure having opposite pair of sides parallel. Here these two sides are parallel to each other and other two sides, both pair of opposite sides are parallel. Suppose h1 is the distance of any diagonal from vertex and h2 is the distance of same diagonal from other vertex. Then area of parallelogram will be 1 by 2 into D. D is the diagonal into sum of these perpendicular distances of that diagonal from vertices. 1 by 2 D into h1 plus h2. The next one is rhombus. Rhombus is a four-sided figure having all the sides equal and parallel. The area of a rhombus is 1 by 2 multiplied by the product of its diagonals. D1 and D2 are the two diagonals of this rhombus. Its area will be the product of the diagonals, length and multiply by half. So these are the three quadrilaterals and we have to study their sums. The first question says, find the area of given trapezium shaped table. Here a table is given. Its base has the shape of a trapezium. We know in a trapezium there are two parallel sides and the distance between the two parallel sides is fixed. Here first of all we will write area of a trapezium. We know the formula, that is equal to 1 by 2 into A plus B into H. A and B were the parallel sides and H was the distance between the two sides. Here A is 1 meter. This side B is 1.2 meters. It is the another parallel side and H will be correct 0.8 meters. It is the distance between parallel sides. So we have just to substitute these values, three values in the formula and do the calculation work, and we will have area of given table is equal to 1 by 2 into A is 1 plus B 1.2 into distance between these sides 0.8. We do the calculations. 1 by 2 as it is, 1 plus 1.2. 1 has no decimal, we have to write it as 1.0 and 1.2 like this and add, it gives 2 decimal 2. here 2.2 into 0.8. Now we cancel. 2 cancels 0.8 at 0.4. We are left with 2.2 multiply 0.4. Now do the multiplication. 22 fours are, that is equal to 88. And what about the decimals? One number after decimal here and one digit here. Total 2 digits after the decimal. So 1, 2 and the decimal. This is the area of the table and the units. Meter area has square. So we will write, therefore area of table is equal to 0.88 square meter. Second question, find the area of a field having given dimensions. We are given a field, it can be a park or a ground, anything. We have to find the area when the dimensions are here. Diagonal BD is 24 meters and the perpendicular distance of that diagonal from opposite vertices is 8 meter and 13 meter. So we remember the formula. We start with area of field means area of the figure ABCD. ABCD, it is our total field. We split it into two triangles. The one triangle is at the top of this diagonal. Area of triangle, its name will be A, B and D, plus other part is the remaining part. This total area of triangle BCD. We have split the total area into two triangles. And we know what is the formula of area of a triangle. Formula is 1 by 2 into base into height. So here what we will write? Area of triangle ABD. It is 1 by 2 into base is BD into height is AP. Height is the perpendicular distance. Plus next one is BCD. The triangle here 1 by 2. Its base is again BD. This is the base of this triangle. Height is QC. So we have substituted the values of base and height in both the triangles. What we see here, 1 by 2 is the term in both the terms. Then BD is here, BD is here. We can take BD common and then inside the bracket we have AP left and QC is there and plus sign is there. This is the total area of the whole field. Now we put the values. 1 by 2 BD is from the diagram 24 into bracket AP is 8 and QC is 13. It will give 1 by 2 into 24 into it is 21. Cancellation, it gives 12 2s are 24. We have 12 multiply 21. 12 1s are 12. 1 carried. 12 2s are 24 and 1 25. Therefore, what is this? It was the area of total field is equal to 252 square meter. So friends, we see we can calculate the areas of our required field. Let us see one more example. Here, a monument has a roof having rhombus shaped tiles. The shape of tiles at the roof is rhombus. Find the cost of painting the roof at the rate of means the cost is given for per square meter. 1 metric square has rupees 4. The cost. When the total tiles are 3000 and the diagonals of each tile are given to us. So, we have to apply the area of rhombus formula. Area of rhombus is 1 by 2 into d1 into d2. d1, d2 are the diagonals of rhombus. The tiles at the roof are rhombus shaped and the diagonals are given to us. We have to calculate the total area at the top. We substitute the values. 1 by 2, d1 is 45 centimeter, d2 is 30 centimeter. It gives, after cancellation, 15 fives are 75, 7 carried, 15 fours are 60 and 7 67, and the units centimeter square. This is the area of one tile. Then we find area of 3000. Total tiles given are 3000 tiles. Area of total roof will be area of one tile multiplied by number of tiles. The multiplication gives 3 zeros, then 5 threes are 15, 7 threes are 21 and 1 22, 2 carried, 6 threes are 18 and 2 20 units. This is the area of total roof. Now we find the cost. The cost or the rate given is rupees 4 per square meter. Here unit is very important. The cost is given for metric square, but the tiles were given the diagonal in centimeter. So we have to convert this centimeter square into meter square by dividing. We divide the given value with 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter. Centimeter square 1 more 100. Now it is in the meter square. The cancellation work, we can do it later also. So we will take this much, 2025 upon 10 meter square. This is the area of roof. Then we have to find the cost. What we will write? Cost of 1 meter square. Per square meter means 1 meter square has the cost rupees 4. And total roof is how much meter square? Cost of 2025 upon 10 meter square. This is the total roof area. This cost will be 4 multiplied by 2025 upon 10. Again cancellation work. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. 5 gives this cancellation. 5 4s are 20 up to this much. Next is 2. It is not divisible by 5, so we write 0. Next we take 2 digits, 2 5. 5 5s are 25. Therefore we have 2 multiply 405. And the multiplication gives 5 2s are 10 and 4 2s are 8. And units, this was the cost. Cost is in rupees. Therefore the cost of painting The roof is rupees 810. This is the answer. So friends, you see the areas and these quadrilaterals, they are very important in our daily life problems. Hope you understand the sums well. If you have any queries, you can comment us, you can write to us. Please subscribe our channel for more videos. We will practice more sums in the coming videos. Till then, work hard and take care. Bye bye.